Hey guys, how's it going? How to enable dark mode for app icons on iPhone. So you can just hold your screen, right, till the app, till you see the app shakes. So as you can see right here, the app is shaking right now. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just click edit at the top left and then click customize, right? And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just select dark, right, or tinted. Just select dark right here to change it to a dark mode for the app's icon. And then if you want your background to be in a light mode, and this is like a little feature from Apple, you could just make it a light mode or dark mode, and then you could just change it manually, and basically that's it. That's been on the comments of this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.